आप एक यूपी में तो भारी बहुमत से आप आए थे, पहले वो तो पचा लो भाई। वो छोड़कर जिस जगह आपको लोगों ने बहुमत नहीं दिया, वहां पर नकार दिया, उस जगह जाकर तोड़ मोड़ के रातों रात जाकर सरकार करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और मैं ये दावे के साथ कहना चाहता हूं, आपके गवर्नर ने ये कहा है, आपके गवर्नर ने ये कहा है कि पर्रिकर ने आकर शाम में लिस्ट दिए हैं और उन्होंने जो लिस्ट दिया है उसमें सब पार्टी के हैं और उनके पार्टी के लोग केवल 13 हैं। मैं क्या करना चाहिए? तब उन्होंने ये कहा पर्रिकर जी को, आपने तो लिस्ट दिया है लेकिन मैं जेटली साहब से पूछूंगी, मैं जेटली साहब से पूछ के ये तय करेंगी। और मैं जेटली साहब को फोन की 9:30 को और 9:30 को
Honorable Governor's conduct cannot be discussed on the floor of the House. Therefore, I request you to restrain the Honorable Member Mallikarjun Kharge ji. He is a senior leader, experienced leader. No. How can you discuss that? No. How can you discuss that?
Without mentioning governor's name.
Right? No.
As reported, even newspapers, has reported a letter also written by the governor to Parrikar on 12th. The results were announced on 11th, 7 p.m. But the letter was given 2 o'clock.
Please, 1 minute, please. In this house, we cannot discuss about the conduct of the governor, the functioning of the governor. That she made the ruling. Therefore, according to that, you can speak that cannot be said. She, based on the urgent motion she mentioned, there is a record is there. Please. I can understand. I understood what you raised. Please, take your seat.
I want to bring to your kind notice, the adjournment motion was given. It was not admitted. It was totally rejected.
No, when the giving the reasons why they are not admitted, she gave this ruling.
1 minute.
I was there at that
time. 1 minute. Neither she allowed us to raise it, nor she heard. So moto, she said it is not allowed. One thing. Here I am referring in the Home Department, which is connected, and we are voting.
The conduct of the governor cannot.
We are voting. The government,
Deputy Speaker, sir,
the governor,
in whatever discussion, the honourable member raises the issue and discusses the conduct of the honourable governor, it is not acceptable. It is out of procedure.
No, one thing. I never took the name of governor. I never told what
if you said the
I said
governor means
No.
Please.
Sir, I am. Sir, 1 minute. I am also submitting a letter. So you take this, sir. On the table of the House you can take. No. What is this then? So you are accepting. You are not accepting the facts. You are not.
Honorable Chair, you are experienced in Tamil Nadu also. Are you encouraging this type of thing?
Deputy Speaker, sir, it is not the issue. It is not the issue. The honourable leader of the Congress party is authenticating a letter or not authenticating the letter, sir. It is only the matter that whether the governor's conduct can be discussed and debated on the floor of the House. He cannot. And he is saying that we are not discussing under adjournment motion. He is not discussing under the demand for grants. He cannot discuss in the House at all, sir. And secondly, the honourable governor of any state speak to the finance minister, there is no wrong in that.
आपके प्रधानमंत्री ने मीरठ के भाषण में कहा कि पाकिस्तान की धरती पर हमने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक किया, मतलब वो पीओके नहीं रहा, भारत ने अपना अधिकार भूल लिया। इसका प्रश्न का जवाब निशिकांत जी आपको देना होगा।